Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating HSL line 831K, which runs between Itäkeskus in eastern Helsinki and Landbo in Östersundom, just like line 831. Line 831K does a small deviation on the line, and that's why it exists in the first place. Okay, does look promising. Everything is stuck. Well, not anymore. Good. Apparently it did something with the lines there. This save is getting so big that my computer barely can run this, and after all it's already 5 years old, so maybe I should buy a new computer. Well, we start from Itäkeskus. We stop at Puotinharju, Korsholmantie, Vanhalinnantie, and then the Puotila metro station, right. Then we stop at Karhulantie, we stop at Raitamäenpolku, which has changed its name, and Linnanherrantie. No, actually Rantamäentie hasn't changed its name, but Uussillantie has become Tankovainiantie. Then we stop at Mellumäentie, and we stop at Falbakka. We stop at Vestakylä, and then we stop at Viikkylä, and Viikkylä number 2. But then I think this is where it goes. Nope, that was not yet the place. So Talosaarentie, Östersundom, Östersundom number 2, and this is where the route deviates slightly. Yeah, we would stop at Karhusaarentie, but the Karhusaarentie stop will come later on. So instead we stop at Skutholmin Kaari. Let's see what that is in Swedish. Skutholmsbågen, which is over here. There we go. Yes, put that one in the correct place because I originally misplaced the Karhusaarentie stop. Okay, we're gonna need a bridge here. And there we go. And okay, nope. And there we go. Then let's build some signals. Whoops. Whoops. There we go. After Skutholmin Kaari, we will stop at Relingi. Relingen. Oops. There we go. Oops. After Helsinki, we will then stop at Merikapteenintie. Sjökaptensvägen. After Merikapteenintie, we're gonna stop at Pituuspiiri. Longituden. And finally, the terminus, or not the terminus, but Karhusaari. What's Karhusaari in Swedish? Björnsö. Surprise! Then we'll loop. Or is there still something deeper in here? No, there is not. Okay, what should we do with you then? Perhaps that's fixed. So, I think the roads have been built now. So after Östersundom 2, we will do this little loop here in. Uh-oh, not looking promising. Okay. So lovely. The game just crashed. Let's see what I can salvage, if I can salvage anything. Oh, well, almost everything. So, let's create the Karhusaari stop again. Oops, no, let's not build rails. It always switches back to rails when the game is restarted. There we go. Now, I did the same mistake twice with this turn there. And then let's build the blueprints, or then let's put it in the signals. Then let's build the blueprints, and then let's go back to lines. 341 lines. That is a lot. That really is a lot. That means I've been doing this for almost a year. So there we go. Then we will stop at Karhusaaren tie. After that, we stop at Sakarimäen koulu, at the Porvonville one-way stop, and finally at Landbu. And then let's go back. The very same route we came from. Except that this time we will of course stop at the stops the other way around. There we go. And then let's have a little look at the timetable of the line. Well, this is an hourly line. No, there is actually one interval which is 38 minutes. Well, okay, let's go to the buses. Here we go, and then let's clone it. There we go, and what was the most recent number? 117-ish. Well, that's 1179 then. There we go. And 841k it is. There we go. 38 minutes I said, so I'm gonna need 2 of them. And there we go. And now it's 39 minutes. That's good enough. So, roads have been built, line has been created, buses have been bought, and everything is up and running. There will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye!